Hi guys, today I would like to show you this pet dryer that I am absolutely in love with. You get a very nice length for your hose that is expandable. Having a doodle, you know that they need baths and dried all the time. This is very user friendly. You have your power button, your heat, and your airflow adjustment right in the front. Very lightweight. And in the back, you have your air filter, which I do recommend that you clean often. This is portable, very effective, and it is a product that I'm very happy I came across and I do highly recommend.